Delhi is a beautiful city. Honesty is the best policy. Shyam Lal is a driver. Let me give you some advice. Life finds a way. With great power comes great responsibility. His biggest regret was not traveling more in the world. The worshippers gathered to worship. The team from Mumbai won the championship in Australia. The teacher writes notes on the whiteboard. The board of directors consists of 9 individuals. Rabindra caught a butterfly with his bare hands. Rabindra caught a butterfly with his uncovered hands. I need to replace my keyboard. Be careful around that rattlesnake. The Samsung fridge is expensive. That book is his favorite. Her blue eyes instantly captured his attention. Catch the beautiful sunset from the top of the mountain. Learning to play chess has been very challenging. It is cheaper to buy insurance online. Raj rides a blue Honda Activa scooter. Did you know that Russia is much larger than China? How many students attend IIT Bombay every year? I do not know why Ravina is so upset. Prerna is a very active, smart, and enthusiastic girl. Akshay is talking to Ravina. The students are writing down the notes. I will help you. Rajan is absent today because he is ill. This house is very old, and it is falling. He drives a bus. I live in a big city. We have a nice car. She is studying. He is a strong man. He is a strong guy. She has 2 children. The Taj Mahal in Agra is the best place to visit. The children in our building speak many languages and are also very intelligent. These cars, made in Japan, are expensive. She is a pretty woman. The man owns 3 cars. They are happy people. They live in a beautiful city. Shilpa's dress is gorgeous. She was ill. The banking work starts at 8 in the morning. Prerna reads. Yesterday evening, Bhumi played with her friends. I see cars driving on the road every day. They are in the cinema hall at the Infinity Mall. They have been at the Infinity Mall since this afternoon. They are in the meeting now. They have been in the meeting for 2 hours. They have gone to the Infinity Mall to watch a movie. I am writing a book. He is an advocate. He is a judge. She is a doctor. She is a physician. They will go outside. She did that correctly. The boy behaved badly. This coffee is too hot. He works too hard. The beautifully painted landscape is a wonderful addition to my living room furnishings. The teacher firmly disciplined the students for their misbehavior. She truthfully answered the police officer's questions. Quickly finish the grocery shopping so we can get to the dinner party in time. Prashant looked everywhere for his missing keys. She will plant her garden right next to the house. She arrived early for the meeting. The movie is starting now. The movie is playing from 9 to noon. The movie show is scheduled to run from 9 to noon. The movie is going to start at 9 and will run until noon. The movie show is scheduled to run from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. The movie show is scheduled to run from 3 to 6 in the afternoon. The movie show is scheduled to run from 6 to 9 in the evening. The movie show is scheduled to run from 9 to 12 in the late evening. We will stroll up to the crossroads and then take a rickshaw to the cinema hall. She came over for a visit yesterday. I almost reached the restaurant for lunch, but I was late. I was getting late. I take the bus to work every day. I go to work by bus every day. I commute to work by bus on Mondays. He broke his car during the race due to excessive speeding. I do not care what you think. Both the boy and the girl danced on the annual day. I put on a coat because it is cold. It would be best if you came here or go home. My hand is above my head. The pencil is on the table. I walked across the road. The photo is on the wall. The photo is above the sofa. Charlie Chaplin placed his hat upon the peg near the door. Wisdom keeps us safe. Anger is bad for health. Bravery should be rewarded. Honesty is sometimes difficult but always right. Childhood is a time to learn. We always hope to do well. Victory is always sweet. There is a refrigerator in the kitchen. There are 2 lamps on the wall. We need a lot of chairs for the meeting. A lot of chairs are needed for the meeting. We need to buy some computers. You will have to buy some computers. I don't think we have enough cold drinks for all the guests. There are many clothing stores in the mall. There is some water in the jug. There is a little water in the glass. There is a lot of water in the pot. There is some cheese in the fridge. Sugar is sweet.